Let's start with this JW dropping article from FX Leaders, PEPE Price Prediction 2025. Will the frog meme coin overtake Doge and SHIB? Overtake Dogecoin and Shiba Inu? Folks, that's the question on everyone's mind after PEPE's explosive 2,000% gains in 2024. Is this frog-themed meme coin the next big thing? Or is a massive whale dump about to send it back to the swamp? What's up, crypto crew? Gold Rush here, and welcome back to Gold Rush Crypto Daily, your daily dose of crypto news, analysis, and insights. Today, we're diving deep into the pond to analyze PEPE Coin. We've got two must-read articles that explore PEPE's incredible rise, its future potential, and the looming threat of whale manipulation. You are not going to want to miss this one. All right, let's get into this FX Leaders piece. As you can see here, it highlights PEPE's incredible performance since its launch. Operating on the Ethereum blockchain and introduced to the public in April 2023, it won significant traction as a meme coin in 2024, skyrocketing by nearly 2,000%, the article states. 2,000%. Folks, that's an absolutely insane gain. And it outperformed both Dogecoin and Shiba Inu, which saw gains of 200% and 500%, respectively. FX Leaders mentions that PEPE reached its peak on December 9th, hitting $0.00002830 amid a surge in positive sentiment across the crypto market. This optimism was fueled by several key developments, including the former president's re-election with a pro-crypto stance, progress in the Ripple versus SEC case, and the departure of the previous SEC chairman Gary Gensler, known for his strict regulatory approach toward cryptocurrencies, the article explains. They also note that by January 2025, PEPE's price had pulled back below $0.000015. This presents a potential buying opportunity for traders who anticipate that the year could mark a turning point for cryptocurrencies. Before we move on, smash that like button if you're amazed by PEPE's 2,000% surge. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell. You do not want to miss my updates on PEPE's price action in the broader crypto market. Now, FX Leaders dives into some technical analysis. They say that for nearly a year after its launch, PEPE remained relatively stable around the $0.000010 zone. However, momentum shifted dramatically in March 2024 when bullish sentiment swept through the crypto market following the approval of Bitcoin and Ethereum spot ETFs, the article states. While Bitcoin saw a 250% increase, PEPE skyrocketed by 1,000%, breaking above the $0.000010 mark within just 2 weeks. They then describe a sharp 50% pullback to $0.000050, followed by a 300% rally in May, pushing it beyond $0.000060. A doji candlestick pattern formed shortly after, often signaling a trend reversal, leading to another decline. FX Leaders writes. PEPE found stability at $0.000066, where it traded sideways for several months, with the 50-week SMA serving as a reliable support level while the 20-week SMA turned into resistance. This is important, folks. The 50-week simple moving average, SMA, is acting as a key support level. They also mention that the sideways consolidation phase lasted until November, when buying momentum returned, driving prices higher once again. This surge continued into early December, propelling PEPE to a peak of $0.00002730. However, late December and January 2025 saw a pullback, bringing prices lower, the article continues. Let me know in the comments, do you think the 50-week simple moving average, SMA, will continue to hold as support for PEPE? Share this video with anyone who needs to hear this analysis. FX Leaders emphasizes that despite this retreat, the 50-week simple moving average, SMA, remains a critical support level, offering traders a potential entry point should it hold firm. They're suggesting that we should continue to closely monitor price movements around this key moving average. Now, let's talk about PEPE's future. FX Leaders describes it as a community-driven meme token inspired by the PEPE the Frog meme. The token has a circulating supply of 420 trillion, with 69 trillion currently available for trading, giving it a market capitalization of $6.8 billion, the article states. They acknowledge that meme coins like PEPE represent a high-risk, high-reward opportunity driven primarily by community enthusiasm and speculative trading. This is important to remember, folks. Meme coins are notoriously volatile. If you're finding this breakdown helpful, give this video a thumbs up. And make sure you're subscribed to Gold Rush Crypto Daily for more in-depth crypto analysis like this one. Also, check out some of my other videos as well. FX Leaders highlights the potential impact of regulatory changes on PEPE's future. They mention the departure of SEC Chairman Gary Gensler and the nomination of Paul Atkins, a former SEC commissioner with a pro-business approach. If confirmed by the Senate, his leadership is expected to bring much-needed regulatory clarity, encouraging institutional investment and wider adoption, the article states. They also mention Mark Ayeta, the acting SEC chair, who has already taken proactive steps by establishing a team focused on creating a regulatory structure for digital currencies. This is huge, folks. Clear regulations could be a major catalyst for growth in the crypto market, and PEPE could benefit significantly. Do you think favorable regulations will be a major driver for PEPE's price? Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and be sure you're subscribed for future updates on this developing story. FX Leaders mentions reports suggesting that the U.S. government is considering establishing a national Bitcoin reserve. More importantly, such a move could provide a clear regulatory structure, determining which government bodies will oversee digital assets and paving the way for broader mainstream adoption of blockchain technology across various sectors, they write. This could significantly boost demand for Bitcoin and potentially drive interest in other cryptocurrencies, including PEPE. They recap PEPE's performance in 2024, noting its listings on major centralized exchanges like Binance and Kraken. This increased accessibility played a crucial role in boosting its popularity and trading volume, the article states. They also highlight significant investments from cryptocurrency whales and institutional players. Throughout the year, 9 wallets collectively invested $14 million to purchase 555 billion PEPE tokens, reinforcing bullish sentiment, FX Leaders writes. What's your take on these whale investments? Do they signal strong confidence in PEPE's future? Share your insights in the comments, and share this video with your crypto crew. Let's get this discussion going. FX Leaders provide some key metrics for PEPE as of January 20th, 2025, including its market capitalization, trading volume, market cap dominance, and social media presence. They conclude by stating that PEPE Coin has quickly established itself as a major player in the meme coin space. In under 2 years, it has seen remarkable growth, but questions remain about its long-term viability due to the absence of substantial technological innovation and real-world utility, the article states. These factors could pose challenges for long-term investors who seek sustainability beyond speculation. They acknowledge the risks but also highlight the potential for further exponential growth. This is the reality of meme coins, folks. High risk, high reward. Do you think PEPE can sustain its momentum based on hype alone? Or does it need more utility to succeed in the long term? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of my future updates on PEPE and the crypto market. Alright, time for article number 2. This one's from Crypto, and it's titled, PEPE Whale Dumps 430 Billion Coins. Is this the end for the meme coin? Crypto reports that a whale dumped 430 billion PEPE coins, worth $6.39 million, pocketing a $5.82 million profit. The sell-off occurred as PEPE traded at $0.0000133, now 48% below its post-election peak, the article states. This is a significant move, folks, and it raises the question, is this the beginning of the end for PEPE? Crypto explains that for meme coins, their low price tags attract investors chasing quick gains, but the real profits kick in when not just billions, but trillions of these coins get scooped up. They warn that in a bearish market, a single wallet dumping its entire stash can trigger a massive sell-off. As seen with PEPE, which crashed by a staggering 20% in just 2 days, the article states. They say that if it doesn't reverse, to expect 27 trillion more PEPE coins bought at $0.000009, just 27% lower than its current value, to shift into the red. putting $243 million at risk of a sell-off, Crypto writes. This could put $243 million at risk of a sell-off. Crypto notes that since the election cycle, the top 10 addresses have reduced their PEPE holdings by 16.74%. No doubt, the whales are quietly offloading, the article states. But what happens when a meme coin loses its whale backing? Is this the end game for PEPE? They also look at the futures data, saying that $7.83 billion in long positions were wiped out, sending open interest plummeting by 17%. They conclude by stating that until we see a reaccumulation phase, predicting PEPE's recovery is tough, and it doesn't look like that's happening anytime soon. If more whales start taking profits, the meme coin could be in its endgame, Crypto warns. With billions on the line and volatility rising, proceed with caution. Alright, let's connect the dots here. We have PEPE surging 2,000% in 2024, outperforming Dogecoin and Shiba Inu. We have analysts predicting a potential further surge to $0.0001 or higher. We have the potential for favorable regulatory changes under a new SEC chair. But we also have a recent whale dump and bearish technical indicators. This is a classic high-risk, high-reward situation, folks. PEPE has shown it can deliver massive gains, but it's also incredibly volatile and susceptible to whale manipulation. I'm cautiously optimistic about PEPE. I think the long-term potential is there, especially if we see more institutional adoption and clear regulations. But the recent whale activity is a major red flag. I wouldn't be surprised to see more volatility in the short term, and a drop to lower support levels is definitely possible. I am very excited to see where this coin goes. Remember, folks, this is not financial advice. I'm just a guy on the internet sharing my analysis of the crypto market. Always do your own research and consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. That's it for today's Gold Rush Crypto Daily. Thanks for tuning in. Keep it locked here for more crypto news, analysis, and insights. Until next time, stay safe, stay informed, and I'll see you in the next video.